Hey everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, and I just bought a 4K. It's a generic kind of GoPro camera, so I figured I'd do a review as I'm getting this thing. And it just came in the mail. I bought it off of eBay, and it comes in this case. It's a Mount Dog. Let's see. It's got like a little microphone in here, so that'll probably help y'all hear me better. It's got a little USB charging cord. It's got looks like this is a Bluetooth remote, so that's pretty cool. And it does have a little strap for this remote. Oh, thank you, buddy.
No, that's my sister.
And this little camera, man, I think I gotta look up what I paid for this thing, but I mean, it's got like a little, it's like brand new, you know what I mean? It's still got the plastic on the lens and everything. I mean, this is brand new. I got a pretty good deal on this. It's even got this little waterproof case, it looks like, so let's see, I could open this up. It's got a little tab here.
Yep.
And I guess this case, oh, okay, it opens like, okay, so you press a little tab and, you know, it releases here. I'm bad at making videos, huh? Let me do this again. Okay, so that's how okay, so you press the orange tab and then you pull it, and then you have to come back this way because it actually lashes that way. And then it looks like I could probably, okay, then I can open this up here. And this actually has the actual camera inside of it. So that's pretty cool, which has more plastic on it. I think I'm gonna leave that plastic on there, but I want to take this out because it had another little, cover over this lens, which, oh man, they really took time to make sure that everything was clean. Now I wonder if there's something on this lens from the residue. Man, I don't know. I feel like I see something there. I don't know if you can see it on there or not with this camera, but probably with the new one.
Mac and cheese, mac and cheese.
Yeah, mac and cheese.
Yep.
See if I get that
Good,
off.
good. They are good.
Man, that's just part of what's on there. Yeah, I think I probably put like some stuff on it.
Wow.
Anyway, so what this says, this is a Mount Dog 4K EIS action camera. If y'all can see that right there. So it's pretty neat, man. I mean, I could use it without the waterproof mount. I'll probably use it with it right now. I mean, and then I'm gonna charge it up. Okay, so I can't charge it with the actual waterproof mount. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna seal this back up. So I'm gonna put a charge on this, and then, we're gonna take some video, see how it looks. Maybe like a before-after shot with the microphone, and see how better it is. Hopefully the picture's a whole lot more crisper and more detailed, and you can actually hear me a little better too with the microphone. So we're gonna check that out. Be back a little bit. Oh, also I seen this side right here. You just put your little finger, and it has the charging port on that side, so that's probably helpful for anybody that wanted to know. Cause I was like, what's on this side? I guess it's just a charge with battery. So hey, see, it's gotta be blinking. The numbers gotta go up to be recording.
No, nah. My cheese, good, good, good. The cable's way down there.
Alright, so I got one of my little stands off of another selfie stick, basically. I got the microphone plugged into the side where the charging port is there, and it comes with a little clip, and I noticed this little clip actually is kind of broken, so I'm just kind of going to stick it right there. I'm going to clip it on myself, and then we're going to turn this thing on. It's got a little charge on it, so I think this should work. Alright, so it looks like there's a power button on here. Oh no, that's motion, that takes snapshot, but we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on and see what happens here. If I got enough charge on this thing. I'm gonna have to plug it in. Hold on. All right, so plug this thing in, and it's starting to come on. You know, it's going through the menu and everything like that. So we're gonna turn this thing around and make some video. Well, I just found out that there's an app that actually comes with this 4K camera. So I got it downloaded because I was making that video earlier. Well, the video that you're about to see come after this clip here. And I actually had a video where I was making where I was talking in front of the camera, and I'm not going to show that because it's cut off my face because I didn't know where the camera was. But with this app, man, it'll actually show you, you know, show you the different modes that you're in. You know, you could go ahead and check out all the different photos. This is from us at my wife's mother's house, you know, in the pool and everything like that. All the video clips that I have already, you know, with this saved on there. So I could take all the video clips and I can download it straight to my phone, put it in the app and upload it to YouTube, you know, so that's pretty cool. And I can go ahead and, you know, have the phone, the camera, the 4K camera turned around looking at me, and I could look at my phone and just hit a button and start recording, you know. So that's pretty cool, and stop it. I could delete the photos from here, so I could just go here and, you know, go to the video, and that, you know, this is the one I just had, and I could delete it, you know, directly from it. So that makes it pretty neat, you know what I mean? So I was like, that little Bluetooth remote was just, yeah, that wasn't going to be helpful if I can't see where the camera is actually pointing when I'm talking in front of the camera. So this is going to help out. So I can set the camera up, make sure it's looking at me, hit the record button, and just kind of just be talking, you know what I mean? And just go from there. So I think this is going to work out to help give out some better video footage and sound quality. And, you know, we can go from there. So. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I've gotten done just today. And you can see right here on this left side of the driver's rear, just went ahead and got that all the way, you know, sanded down with a wire brush. And I just put some of this Rust-Oleum sandable primer. I had some of that left over. It smells real good in here. But for the most part, man, it looks decent right now. I mean, I haven't waxed and grease removed it or anything like that. Oh, it's still wet. And yeah, go from there. But I'm gonna let this dry, you know, and go ahead and just get this whole driver's side done, man. And just prime it up, and then, you know, I may even get some Bondo to put on, you know, this side here, make it all smooth, make it look all nice. But for the most part, I mean, it's turning out pretty good for me. So just want to kind of show y'all an update, you know. Then I'm going to work on getting these wires all cleaned up, you know. They just look dirty. So I'm trying to wait till I get a lot of this rust proofing done, you know. So I could probably get like a little small bucket or something and some soap and just kind of spray it and wipe it down. And then eventually you got to take this whole lower carpet panel off. I need to find out how is it still connected. I think maybe some screws are in here or something. I don't know. I need to figure that out, because like all this is about ready to come off here. You know, all this is about ready to come off. It's just kind of being held in some spots. So I just need to figure that out. I think it's being held somewhere around here. Maybe it lifts up or something. I don't know. But I'm eventually going to have to take that all off to get, you know, all down this corner and going up. And then I still got to do a little bit up in here. Y'all can still see, you know, going up in here. I still got to do a little bit up in there. You know, so I'm not nowhere near done, but it is definitely looking better, you know what I mean? So compared to, you know, that side over there, you know, and that's still looking pretty bad. I think the worst side was probably this side. Oh, got caught up here in this vacuum line. So hopefully this new camera works a lot better where you can hear me. I got 4K, and we'll go from there. If you like my review of this 4K camera, give me a thumbs like, You know, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. You know what I mean? You know, write me a comment. You know, I'll see if I could put a link in the description, and you know, we'll go from there. You know what I mean? So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.